Tucked away on the edge of northwest Wisconsin's lush forests sits the largest screen assembly plant in the Quanex family. For decades, the Rice Lake screen plant has been a manufacturing marvel, consistently delivering high-quality window and door screens for Quanex Hardware Solutions. The Rice Lake plant has been operated by Quanex since the late 1980s and has been a cornerstone of innovation in the window and door screen assembly industry ever since. Boasting a team of 350 and a sprawling 325,000 square feet of space, the Rice Lake team generates an average of $127 million in annual revenue. Their size allows them to be a key producer for a variety of hardware solutions. The Rice Lake plant operates 17 different value streams in-house, applying their core competencies of fabrication and assembly to manufacture window screens, patio screen doors and thresholds, roll-formed lineals, fireplace safety barriers, and flashing, as well as a variety of other small components for the fenestration industry. The Rice Lake plant is also a powerhouse when it comes to technology and innovation. It spearheaded the development and implementation of adjustable jig laser cloth cutting final presses, a groundbreaking method for friction-fitting mesh into screen frames. What's more, it's the sole Quanex facility equipped with RollTrusion capabilities, which is a method of extruding PVC over a metal substrate for a variety of applications. With these technologies, Director of Operations Jeff Sieg and the dedicated team in Rice Lake are capable of building high volumes of both window screens and patio door screens every single day, in addition to other components produced at the plant. On average, 25 truckloads of product are shipped out of Rice Lake every day.
Our team hits these numbers because they really have a passion for customer service, and we have a passion for perfection. You're going to get the best every single time. We have capabilities, we have technologies that others in the industry don't have. But there's more to it than that. What we do is we try to make it fun here. The feeling is palpable because these folks are smiling, they're having a good time, and they have one purpose, and that's to meet the needs of our customers.
By taking their passionate culture and reinforcing it with fun, the Rice Lake plant has achieved incredible success. They've won multiple Quanex Emerald Awards, including the 2023 President's Service Award, responding to a partial roof collapse without missing a single delivery. These wins, no matter how big or small, are celebrated in a variety of ways. Every year, the team holds a summer and winter celebration with outdoor cookouts, comedy shows, prize giveaways, Fresh Fruit Fridays, and more. Along with all this success, the employees of Rice Lake make sure to still give back to their community as well. The plant hosts blood drives on site, rings the Salvation Army bell during the holidays, hosts breast cancer awareness events, and gives plant tours to students from local schools.
Our people make us successful because of their passion. They come to work every day with a passion to serve each other. They come to work every day with a passion to serve our customer. Without that, we're nothing. So it starts with our folks. It starts with the ingenuity of our engineers and our maintenance team working with our operations team to make our processes world-class. It's our procurement team. It's our customer service team. It's everybody being lockstep together, marching toward the same goal. That's what makes us successful. You can see it in their day-to-day. You can see it when you walk through the facility. The smiles are on their faces, and our team has that desire to do that. That's what makes us proud. That's what makes coming to work fun, is our desire to exceed expectations every day. And this team does that.
As such an integral part of Quanex Hardware Solutions, the future of the Rice Lake plant is bright and shows the value of continuous improvement throughout every aspect of Quanex.
In Rice Lake, Wisconsin, we are a part of something bigger.